For using OpenAI models and other modules, we need OpenAI API Key. In this presentation, I will tell you how to get OpenAI API Key. Open the browser in Google. You can either search for the OpenAI API Key, or you can directly go to the URL platform.openai.com. Now you need to sign up in the OpenAI platform to get the API key. Since I am already registered, so I will click on the login and I will continue with my Google account. So here is the main page. Now we have different options over here in this website. You can go to your account and from your account click on the view API keys. So these are the API keys. Click on the create new secret key. Give it any name, for example key number 2, for example, and create the secret key. Now you see over here API key generated. You need to copy it and store it in a secure place, because when you click on the done, you will not be able to see this API key again. So this is how we get OpenAI API key from its platform. Thank you very much.